Well, we're going to finish the clutch job today. Last week, we left it in pieces. So today we're going to try and put it all back together. And notwithstanding the great expertise of everyone here helping, I spent some time reading up on it during the week, and it either takes 10 minutes to put that transmission back in or 2 hours. We did get caught up in a little bit of while you are here, and so currently we're going to replace the seal, the front seal in the transmission. We're going to try and clean up some other things while it's out, and then hopefully we go the 10-minute route, and we'll just all have donuts and coffee and call it a day. So the reason why we took a break last week was the flywheel needed to be refaced at a machine shop, and Doug, our fearless leader, knew of one. He drove it out there and it had closed. So he then had to drive an extra 50 minutes or so each way to get it refaced at a new machine shop. Actually, same owners, just relocated. So we now have a beautiful looking flywheel that Doug says is too pretty to install. Last week, besides taking it apart, we replaced the clutch slave cylinder, we replaced the clutch master cylinder, and then during the week, I cleaned out the transmission bell housing completely. There was a lot of caked on gunk and grease, so I went through several rolls of paper towels and old undershirts, but we got it all cleaned out and ready. Found the 2 3/8 guide bolts to make sure we have it centered on the engine plate right, and basically just reorganized everything so today we could go smooth.
Where is this haunted?
All right, should be good, guys.
Don't get me in there.
What is it? This clutch plate with the alignment tool pre-inserted. It's an oil impregnated copper bushing that goes in there.
How easily they are extracted is a good question.
Yeah. So it should be. We're gonna have to align it.
Put that in first
Yeah.
with the alignment tool, and then that goes over it.
Okay.
But keep the alignment tool in.
Yeah.
The alignment tool is in.
Make sure it's situated with the pilot, those pilot bushings. Well, that just goes in. It's this that goes with the pilot bushings.
Yeah. Right. Okay, so that's good.
You have to really push it. It's a very tight fit. Just twist it. You'll feel it go in. No? It needs to go all the way in.
It's a cold piece of plastic.
It was tight fit when it was.
Was it? Yeah. Looks like it went.
And now push the clutch in.
Okay.
Push the clutch in. There you go.
Okay.
Now keep that in.
Yeah.
And now line that up with the pilot holes, with the pilot bushings.
Okay. So time for this? Oh, you did.
Yep.
Okay. Ready to go? All right. We've got a snake in there. And we've got these smaller holes here and there. Right? Go there and there. Yep. That's the only option there. So, and hopefully it'll just hang there by itself. Okay. All right. So,
Got it?
okay.
You got it?
Yeah. All right. They were just a little hard to start. So, we just need a few more of those.
Yeah. Here's one right here.
Oh, thanks. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just say you never want to do that. It was an interesting exercise.
Like that, right? Oh, this is it.
Yeah, exactly.
There we go. There we go.
All right. First you knock the clutch over.
Swap there.
Let's do this, guys.
Okay. All right.
Now, we're good.
Yes, okay.
They seem to have it, so you feel good about it.
All right, fine.
Manual.
All right. So here's some straps.
So
Why don't we maybe bring it?
Let's
Kinda
set,
just-
let's set it in place and put the straps on this end. We'll do it. We'll make them act like that video you showed
Yeah,
of the guy
yeah.
with the.
Right.
here's where a chain holder is handy, right?
Should we just carry it over here and then strap it?
It's in here so we can move the line with the.
Alright. Someone get the back, someone get the front. It's heavy.
Line grease on?
Oh, no,
yeah.
we got to do that. Yep.
Well, let's put it down right here. We gotta put the grease on.
And somebody suggested a drop of oil where it goes into the bushing.
Okay.
A very small amount.
Who
Yeah.
has oil? I don't think I have oil. Like oil, like 2050 oil?
Even WD-40 probably.
I have.
Isn't that
I do
oil
have-
right there?
I do have
What is
2050.
that? I don't know, I'm out of my depth
Not
there, but
double
it seems
D,
like the idea is you just have
WD-40,
a
isn't
slide
it?
That's gear.
Don't use that.
2050?
Right, right.
There you go, get it.
You could just pull your dipstick.
Good point. Jonathan, we'll get it off your dipstick.
A drop of oil.
What are you talking about?
Oil.
Just a
All right,
drop.
just want to be clear. All right, so you guys want to,
Trying to pick it
we're
up?
just going to put it in position, right?
Okay. Yeah, it's not as heavy as I thought it would be.
Well, we started out like gangbusters, and we had the flywheel resurfaced. Thought got that in, got the clutch in with the alignment tool. We changed the rear seal on the front seal on the transmission. Went to get the transmission in, and we could not get the back end of the transmission down low enough, basically. And we tried everything. We started at 9 o'clock this morning. It's probably around 3 o'clock now.
3:15.
We tried taking the drive shaft out. We tried all different maneuvers, raising the engine up. I mean, everything that you could think of. Finally, we ended up taking the transmission mount that was actually the mount that connects on the transmission. We were able to get that out, and that did solve the problem. We were able to go in pretty straight. And then all of a sudden, click, it went in. We secured it up, and we were up and running. That's basically today. Then we reconnected the drive shafts, put some of the bolts back in, and wheeled the car back to Jonathan's house, and he's going to finish it up.
Oh, but your crowbar idea was a good idea.
There's a crowbar under here if you want it.
Well,
I was just trying to move that flange.
yeah, if we can move the flange back.
What do you need from us? You need us to pull it up higher?
I don't know.
Make sure you don't hit yourself in the face with that. Or me.
Hey!
There we go.
Damn.
High five.
All right.
High five.
Drive shaft can be connected.
Let me get the other drive.
No?
You think we can lower the car now on the back?
Let me put one more in, all right? Before we do that.
Yeah.
Wow, that was a hell of a job.
Yeah.
The ground strapping's not connected right now.
Yeah. That's good.
Wow, it's running great! Chicken in a second! Total clutch! Side.
Straighten up and make it straight back.
Okay?
Yep.
I think you're clear. Yeah.